Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you what you can do when Claude AI is not saving your chat history. So one of the first things you can check on is your internet connection. Sometimes when you have an intermittent internet connection, your chats with some chats and some prompts are going to be dropped or suddenly disappear. And if you want to check on that, all you have to do is click on your Wi-Fi icon in your taskbar and make sure your internet connection is stable. You can even go ahead and run a speed test by typing it into your URL bar and clicking on run speed test. So as you can see right now, my internet speed seems quite stable, so that probably isn't one of the issues. So the next thing you can check on is make sure that you are not in incognito mode. If you look at the top right of your screen, you can see there's a small ghost icon, and sometimes you might accidentally press the keyboard shortcut or accidentally click on this icon, and doing so will turn it into an incognito chat mode. And when it's in incognito chat mode, it's not going to be saving any of your chat history. And one of the last things you can do is to make sure that Claude or Anthropic itself is not experiencing any outages. And to check on that, all you have to do is open a new tab and type in status.claude.com. And here it's going to show you a status report on the servers of all of their web tools. So they have Claude AI, Claude Console, Claude API, and Claude Code. So as you can see here, right now, everything is operational. But due to the sheer amount of demand, their servers can get overwhelmed, and during these times, you may face some outages. As you can see here, with the bars in red, there are partial outages and some related issues. Or over here in this one, there's a major outage. There are elevated errors on some of their models. So right now, it seems that the most stable model to use is their Sonnet 4.6. So if you're not using that, I can recommend switching to it for a while. If whatever tasks you're giving Claude can be handled by this model right here. Last thing you can do is to make sure that you don't have any browser extensions that are interfering with the website. And to check on your extensions on Google Chrome, at least, all you have to do is look here to the top right. So right here, I have something for screenshots. I have my chat backup with WhatsApp, and I have a few others, but none of these should be interfering with the website. If you have recently installed an extension, that might be the culprit why your chat history isn't being saved properly. And if you want to remove something, all you have to do is click here and click on remove from Chrome. And doing so should only take a few seconds. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.